You are going to learn 5 letters. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. The consonant of the letters is B, but you will not see the consonant in the table. To add the ten in ha, hi, hu, he, ho, and letters will be ba, bi, bu, be, bo. So now let's practice. The first one is ba. 1, 2, 3, and 10. Ba, ba. The next one is bi. 1, then 10. Bi, bi. The next one is bu. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 10. Bu, bu. The next one is be. 1, and 10. Be, be. The last one is bo. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 10. Bo, bo. Now let's review. What is this? Ba. What is this? Bi. What is this? Bo. What is this? Be. What is this? Bu. Well done! So you learned the 5 letters. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Next will be pa, pi, pu, be, bo. See you in the next lesson.